What's going on, guys? Thanks for joining my channel Robinhood. This is Bob. Today is Friday, August 7th. Just going to give you guys a quick thanks. I did hit 25 subscriptions. I know that is not a huge number, but every subscription, every like, every comment does mean a lot to me, helps me put more videos out there, just showing that I am helping some people and just giving them some information. So let's get started. So today's video is Simon Property Group, third week in on my $24,000 investment. I am also going to go through two other property REITs that have malls and shopping centers. They actually put their earnings out already, and I'll go over with the stock to see how they did. But you guys know that Simon Property Group, their numbers are coming out on August 10th. That is Monday after hours. They are estimated at 0.98 cents per share. It is a dramatic drop from the first quarter and even worse from the second quarter of last year. So hopefully they can beat those numbers and bring the stock back up to where it needs to be at. They are having some issues of suing companies like Gap on trying to get some rent paid. I think it's up to $106 million. They are also being sued by other companies as well that said that they did pay their rent and they were not allowed access to get their products to actually make some money. So we'll see how that goes. There are a couple court cases down the road. So right now, Simon Property Group is sitting at 62.30. They are up 1.62% for today. After hours, 0.18, and from last week, they are up 1.78%. So the two stocks I want to go over, somewhat similar but definitely smaller than Simon Property Group, would be this Seritage Growth Properties. So basically, they are property portfolio which includes malls, shopping centers, freestanding locations, and this is based out of New York. So they did post their numbers here. Was negative 0.49 cents per share. So if we do look at theirs, so this real estate investment trust based in New York. So basically they lost $27.2 million or 49 cents per share in that period. The last second quarter that they have lost 1.2 million and negative 3 cents per share. So they have taken a significant hit. But if you happen to look at their stock, they did put their numbers out and they are up 8.75% today. And after hours, 0.18. You look at the week, they're up 20%. For the month, up 7%. 3 month up 24%, and for the year they're down 71.94%. So even coming out with some pretty awful numbers, they still actually did have a pretty significant amount of growth when their numbers did come out. So let's check out one more stock here, which would be UE Urban Edge Property. So their portfolio also includes shopping centers, malls, warehouse parks, and it is founded out of New York as well. So they did post their numbers. They were 0.18 per share, 18 cents per share. So like I said, New York-based real estate. So they did $21.7 million or 18 cents per share in that period. Second quarter would be 31.3 million or 27 cents per share. So basically they're down about 33% in profit just off of their numbers. But they didn't have as much as a jump, but still putting the numbers out, they did actually come up positive at 3.77%. For the week, they're actually at 3.77%. For the month, they're down 3%. 3 months, they're up 7%, and for the year, they're down 34%. So even with numbers that may not be as well as you think they are, a lot of the REITs has still been posting higher percentages, so it has been going up. So we'll go back to SPG, and I'll go over the numbers with you. So like I said, I did do 3 contracts, $24,000 collateral. It's a $80 put. I sold it. Expires on the 21st. So currently, I don't pay too much attention to these numbers because I do expect to execute this $80 put, but it said today's return is 291, total return is 136. I'll go over the numbers with you to get the exact amount of money, how much it actually is. So $80 selling 3 puts, expires 8/24/2020. So the bid is the low end currently is 1720. The high end is 1995. The mark is the average, which is 1858. The last sale is $18.03. So when I did do this, it did give me an instant profit of $418. The current stock price is at $62.30. My break-even price still doing these contracts is $60.97. The price I sold this, because I did have 300 shares of it, was $62.36. So right now my current profit selling the puts would basically be the current price minus my break even, which is $1.33. You do $1.33 with 3 puts is 300 shares basically. So currently, so far, I'm up $399. So if I did keep the 300 shares at the sold price, I would be down $18. So the current price minus the sold price is -6 cents times 300 would be -18 bucks. So currently I'm still in the green. I do hope by Monday when they do come out with their numbers that it will go up. I'm hoping 5%, 10% would be great. But I do hopefully expect it to start to go up though, because Simon Property Group, I mean, they know their stuff. They know how to get the money, and they do have a lot of high-end businesses where they do have a lot of cash on hand. So I do expect them to collect their money and be able to at least, have survived the last few months. Now, most of their stores and malls and properties are open currently, maybe not in full, but are open and bringing in some revenue. So on Monday after hours, possibly Tuesday, I will put up another video to go over the numbers with you. Hopefully we will have a very good green day. Thank you guys again for watching the video. The 25 subscriptions. Please hit the subscribe button, make some more. Hit the like button. Also comment below if you have any questions or comments. Thank you guys. Have a good day.